Welcome back to Vinsonhaler Farm. My name is Natalie.
I am Iris.
And I'm Dustin.
Today we are going to be digging up some potatoes. They're not quite ready yet, but we'll at least show you how, and then we can go from there.
Ready? Oh.
There's going to be a lot of potatoes in here.
There might be.
I found a worm. Wow. Come on.
There's a potato. Okay, put it right over here.
Here's your second potato.
Give it a shot, baby. There's another one, Iris. Just a little guy.
I didn't see another one.
Do you see another one?
Itty bitty, itty bitty.
Oh, that is an itty bitty one, huh?
Oh, look at this itty bitty.
one.
Just the beginnings.
Yeah.
Let's let it grow a little more.
Alright, Iris, switch me sides.
What? Okay. Bye. Oh, wait. Please.
Go for it.
Ready potato.
Yeah,
A worm.
nice sized potato.
I think these are Yukons. I don't think these are Russets.
That might be. That's a nice potato. Remember, you gotta break up the dirt, remember?
Here's a little baby one.
Yeah. Okay. Another one.
That's a nice potato.
Oh, there's a big one.
There's 3 big ones right there. Alright, there you go. You got how many so far? I said there was 3, right?
There's one more.
Oh, there's an itty bitty one again, yeah? Did you get the 3rd one? Or did you bury it? There's a little one. Hold on. We're trying to be gentle, remember? We don't want to wreck anything.
Don't see
It defeats the purpose.
of the dirt. Oops, sorry. We're ruining the soil when we just throw it out. I'm trying to protect.
Not too bad off of 1 seed potato.
You'll have to dig deeper.
Yeah, watch out, Iris. I gotta go in.
There's one more.
That way Daddy doesn't punk you in the head.
Because you feel like we're going.
Mm-hmm. What's this one?
Found one. Itty bitty one again. Push.
This is the second year we've done seed potatoes. They are going pretty well for the most part. I think we planted a total of 15 pounds between Kennebecs and Pontiac seed potatoes. The Kennebecs we actually got from Menards in the spring, and the Pontiacs, which are a red potato, we got them from Bomgaars. We typically plant our potatoes the weekend of Easter, and then we don't dig them up until the plants turn brown and are dead. This year we have been harvesting a couple just for eating here and there. Potatoes, there are 2 types for the most part. There is a determinate and indeterminate potato. The determinate potatoes, which is the Pontiac and Kennebec from my research will grow a certain height, will grow a certain amount of fruit, which would be the actual potato, which is a tuber, and then they're done. The indeterminate are potatoes that just keep growing and growing and growing till the plant dies. If anyone has suggestions on how to maximize the abundance of potatoes you can get, or any tips and tricks, that would be great. Go ahead and leave them in the comments below. That would be super appreciated, as we can all learn from each other and we can all grow bigger and more lush gardens.
So there's a good one.
I put the worms back.
There's one on the end. Right there.
I put the worm back where it was.
Oh, that's so kind. Oh, there's baby.
Put it back in the ground. That's an itty bitty baby worm. Oops, sorry. This might be a
Okay,
walk or
there's
something.
those. Not too much off the Pontiacs.
Is this our second year growing potatoes?
Yeah.
Technically?
Yeah, second year.
You want to take that plant up too? You already pretty much dug it up. But, oh, there's one.
Oh, I think I see another one. Maybe. What the heck is that?
That's a moth.
Which is ours?
Here's a baby potato.
Did you show it to the picture?
Not too much off of the Pontiacs.
Well, we're probably also not doing it right. Okay, stop please.
Well, you need a little bit looser soil than we have available here.
We are also growing determinate potatoes and not indeterminate potatoes.
That's fair too.
There's baby ones.
Here, look. Yep.
Nodules.
Let's
Technically, a potato is
Can't we
a
let them
tuber.
grow a little more?
No.
Okay, we'll leave the rest for it.
Oh, there's one.
This one did pretty well too. So whatever these are, that's what we're going with. Because there's our seed. There's a nice one. That's a pretty decent one. That would be a good seed starter.
Oh, there's lots of tiny ones.
Potatoes that we got yesterday.
Or last time. Yeah.
Our last pickings. Oh, yep. Set it down. As Mommy goes through her little ones.
There's another one.
There's the original.
There's a tiny
Baby.
potato.
Not bad. Oh, no, that's a piece of corn.
Well, you might have to come this way because there's this one and that one too.
Don't trouble my butt up.
We'll look in just a second. Oh, there's a bunch. Easy. Don't rip that off, Iris.
Don't leave it alone.
Just leave it.
There's a little one. Oh, here, look, another little AB one just growing off.
Can you pick it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe